How do you say potato in Spanish?
Patata. Patata.
Patata? Yeah, it's cool. Patata, yeah.
Patata? No. Papa.
What? Papa? Which papa?
Papa, anda ya. El Papa está en el Vaticano dando misa.
My papa, your papa, his papa, our papa. Oh, papa!
No, don't listen to him. That's only in South America.
Only in South America? What's bigger, Spain or South America?
Well, but we all know that the language originated in Spain.
Original is better. Yeah, I will go with the Latin Spanish. Yeah.
So, patata.
Dekha, sir? It's originated from Spanish. So I will go with the patata, not papa. Okay?
Yes, but we all know that potato originated in South America. So, Papa.
Huh? Then how? Okay. I think you are fighting with each other. Okay, tell me about what is this?
Papas fritas.
Patatas fritas.
Okay, you fight. I can focus on it. Bye.